Okay, we're back. We got two of these little round magnets I hot glued on. See the second one on the bottom there. And I'm looking for my hot glue gun, which is this little guy, my wife's. I came across the soldering iron in question. Junk, 40 watts should have been enough, but this thing won't even create a puddle out of solder. It kind of warms it, and then makes it really difficult, and then it cools off immediately, and problems. Okay, so this is lined up. So that magnet is going to tell that reed switch when it should engage. That's going to pass signals down to the rest of this, and hopefully it does what I hope it does. So let's start this. Turn it on. Now this is all going to boil down to timing. Let's see, we're going to spin this again a little bit. Are we getting any kind of light here? Nothing. Entirely possible without solder. These connections are just not hanging on. So I think we need our solder. I know we need our solder. And I need some proper wires. Right now I'm just using, what the hell you call this stuff? I forget the term. I'm not a computer circuit building kind of a guy. I'm a computer guy, but this is not what I do for a living. Anyway, it appears that everything's holding together. I'm turn it off. I think that's off. And then we gotta wait on our soldering iron. Damn it. Okay.